Bonjour! Today you're learning how to be super polite at the restaurant and how to handle it like a boss when you don't understand. Let's start immediately with a few sentences you might say when you arrive. Bonjour, une table pour deux, c'est possible? On est deux, sans réservation. And if you actually made a reservation, you might say on a réservé au nom de pour deux personnes. On a une réservation pour deux au nom de They might answer en terrasse ou à l'intérieur, like outside or inside. Ici, ça vous va? Showing you the table. It's like, here, is it okay for you? And then you just answer, oui, merci, parfait. You can continue by saying, est-ce qu'on pourrait avoir le menu, s'il vous plaît? Could we have the menu, please? Pourrait is the verb pouvoir at the conditionnel. It's a tense we use a lot in French to be polite. So, as long as you say bonjour, s'il vous plaît, merci all the time, you might be okay. But to make it really right, we use this tense and I'm gonna show you a few sentences. Je pourrais avoir Could I have The verb is pouvoir again, to be able to. Je voudrais J'aimerais I would like. Ce serait It would be. Vous pourriez. Could you. Vous auriez. Would you have. Always with s'il te plaît. So usually this tense is formed with the infinitive as base plus the endings which are AIS, est, for je and tu, then AIT, est, for il, elle, on, and then IONS, yon, IEZ, ye, AIENT, est, for the plural. For example, the verb aimer, j'aimerais, tu aimerais, on aimerait, nous aimerions, vous aimeriez, ils aimeraient. You hear that the E is not really pronounced for ER verbs at this tense. It's just faster to say, as I told you before. The reality is we have around 15 irregular verbs and they are the most used ones. But once you know the base of these irregular verbs, you can just conjugate them because the endings never changes. So you already have the base of pouvoir, which is pour. You also have the one of vouloir, voudre. Then you have the one of the verb être, which is ser. And then you have the one of the verb avoir, which is aur. You don't need to learn all of them now, as long as you know the few sentences useful for restaurants that I just told you. Other sentences they might tell you. Vous avez choisi. Have you chosen? Oui, c'est bon. Yes, it's good. Or you can say, une minute s'il vous plaît. 1 minute please. And then you order. Je vais prendre. If you're in a bar or restaurant in general, they can say really fast. Qu'est-ce que je vous sers? What can I serve you? What am I serving you? And then they can ask, et pour les boissons? Or, il y aura des boissons? What about drinks? Will there be drinks? And to finish, they might say, vous souhaitez autre chose? Would you like something else? Oui, merci. Most of the time, you can add merci after your oui. It's just really polite to say. I just really want to say something to you. Even French people don't understand everything in restaurants. I mean, there's always lots of noise. People don't articulate sometimes. So don't worry, don't panic if you don't understand something. Like the question they're asking you, it's super normal. And you have the total right to ask again to repeat, okay? Here is how you can say it. Vous pourriez répéter s'il vous plaît? Could you repeat, please? If they repeat, it's a French you cannot understand. You have two options. You can ask them. Vous pourriez reformuler s'il vous plaît? This is a sentence to ask them to use other words to say the same thing. Very useful. If they speak too fast, you can say je comprends le français, mais est-ce que vous pourriez parler plus lentement s'il vous plaît? Si, pourriez. This just makes it super polite and normally there's no way they're gonna be like rude after that. They have to just do what you just asked. And then at the end sentences you might say je pourrais avoir l'addition s'il vous plaît to ask for the check. When they ask tout s'est bien passé or ça a été, it can be very fast but basically they're asking how it went and if it went good. You can say oui, parfait, merci beaucoup. Or, c'était délicieux, it was delicious. C'était parfait, c'était très bien. And when you leave, you can say bonne fin de soirée if it's the evening. Or if it's like lunch, you can say bonne journée, bon après-midi. So, tell me, if they ask you, qu'est-ce que je vous sers? What would you answer? What's your favorite meal to order?